guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hi, how are you? Okay, I am just kidding. Hi guys, welcome back. I know I've been gone a couple weeks, but guess what, bitches? I am back, okay? Yeah, I just needed to reflect and stuff like that, so I don't know. I got re-inspired again to do some more makeup. I know how much you guys love my makeup looks. And so, yeah, I'm gonna get started on this. I will post kind of like a reference picture. I was just looking, I like to look for inspiration on Pinterest, and I found this one, and I was like, hey, you know what, I have that hat. You know, I could do that makeup look. So today we're gonna be doing this really soft glam. I hope you guys like it. Stay tuned till the end, because obviously that's when I'll be done with my makeup. And yeah, I got a new setup, so I hope it looks good for you guys. I hope everyone's doing well and y'all are feeling your best self, and let's just get into it. Oh, hi, didn't see you there. Okay, yeah, so as you can tell, I just put on my foundation, you know, did my eyebrows. Doesn't look the best, I know, okay? We all know Cheryl. Anyways, yeah, my hair looks like, I don't know, kind of greasy, even though I washed it yesterday. It's just not done, okay, you guys? It's not motherfucking done! But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and clip it back, because I don't want to get no makeup on my weave tracks, you feel me? Oh yeah, I got my nose pierced, by the way. Okay, so with this makeup look, I am going in hard with my favorite pink color on this palette, which is the Sexuality one. Yes, it's that one. It's looking a little red on this camera, but I promise you it is a bright, pretty neon pink color. And so I am gonna go ahead and I don't know what I'm saying. Add, I guess, some primer to my eyelids, because the foundation dried up. So what I'm gonna do is add, which primer do I want to add? I'm just gonna go in and add this primer and see what happens. It's your crease, I don't know, eyeshadow brush. Just gonna go in with this and apply a lot. Like, it's just one shade, which I love. I love the simplicity of it. Let's just hope. Oh, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put, so these are what I like to use to put right here to kind of shape my eye. And they are file folder stickers, and let me tell you, life hack already. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and start with this eyeshadow look, and let's go. Okay, so yeah, this is what it looks like, not cleaned up. Alright. You know, what do you guys think? Obviously, I'm not gonna keep it like this, right? Obviously. I don't know, it's kind of a lot. But we're gonna tone it down, alright, ladies? We're gonna tone it down and carve out, you know, the brow line and all of that, so hold on to your panties, alright? Okay. Oh, bitch. Hello, mama. Y'all. Is being able to do it under the eye like that without it getting everywhere. I don't know how she does it, but I'm assuming, I mean, actually she doesn't do this. I know for a fact she doesn't do this, but I'm doing it because I don't want it all over my face. Period. I know I look crazy. This is the finished look. How do you like it? I'm just kidding. Oh my gosh, I just got concealer all over my pants. I love that for myself and my pants. You know, makeup is not supposed to be neat, okay? You're supposed to get messy. You're supposed to get down in the freaking dark. I don't know, guys. What do you think? Sound off in the comments below. I think it's a fun, cute look. You know, subtle. You know, really not noticeable at all to the common eye. You know, it's just like a very subtle, cute daytime look. And like, okay, let me stop multitasking so I can tell you what else I'm gonna do to my makeup. So in the picture that she has some highlighter on her cheekbones, she has peach blush, and she has a clear lip gloss, sort of pink, with the same eyeshadow color above her lip. And then she has some natural looking eyelashes on. So I'm gonna go and do that, and I will be back. Hey guys, I am back, and I just wanted to check in to show you that I completely ruined my makeup. I'm gonna have to wipe this part off and start it again, so. You ever just like hold in a sneeze? Okay, so right now I am redoing the makeup around my lips because so it didn't work, obviously. So what I'm gonna do now is do my eyeshadow first as the base and blend it out, and then I'm gonna add the lip gloss over it. Haha. See what I did there? You know. Okay, get it? Alright. So let's try this again.
I'm gonna go in with this little brush that goes with the Kat Von D lipstick. I don't know, you guys, I haven't used it forever, but I needed a brush for my lips, so I found this. Alright, so wish me luck. I'm gonna do this again.
I'm gonna go ahead and just do a clear lip gloss over it. And I'm gonna go finish my makeup and then I'll come back so you can see the finished result. Stay tuned. Don't you fucking move. Okay, so, and since, you know, I'm gonna insert some photos because I just feel like I'm gonna go outside and take some photos and get that good natural background, that good natural light, okay? But thank you guys so much for watching. I had so much fun doing this look. I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy, and I will see you guys in my next video. Pop a like. Oh, bye.